Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 713 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Coinbase has posted a shareholder letter, Marathon has reported its Q3 results, and Blockchain Intelligence Group has integrated Syscoin. But just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Coinbase, which trades on the Nasdaq as COIN, has released its third quarter 2021 shareholder letter. The crypto exchange giant posted a total net revenue of $1.235 billion for the quarter, up from $287 million in Q3 of 2020. An excerpt from the letter reads, quote, Q3 was a strong quarter for Coinbase, marked by deeper customer engagement with our products, continued product innovation, and ongoing industry momentum that we have experienced throughout 2021. We are in the early stages of the development of the crypto economy and are focused on investing for long-term growth. As our year-to-date results have clearly demonstrated, our business is volatile. Coinbase is not a quarter-to-quarter investment, but rather a long-term investment in the growth of the crypto economy and our ability to serve users through our products and services. We encourage our investors to take this point of view. End quote. Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as MARA, has reported its financial results for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2021. Highlights include a total revenue of $51.7 million. This is an increase of 76% from the $29.3 million posted in Q2 this year, and reports the production of 1,252 self-mined Bitcoins in the quarter, up 91% from the 654 Bitcoins produced in Q2. Fred Thiel, Marathon's CEO, said, quote, in the third quarter, we increased our hash rate to 2.7 exahash per second and generated 1,252 self-mined Bitcoins, which is a 91% increase from our second quarter Bitcoin production. As a result, we held approximately 7,035 Bitcoin at the end of the third quarter, and we are continuing to grow these holdings each month as we increase our hash rate and maintain our strategy to hodl the Bitcoin we mine. Beyond our Bitcoin production, the quarter was highlighted by enhancements to our leadership team, the purchase of new miners from Bitmain, and the first Bitcoin miner other than Marathon being added to Marapool. While global logistics issues are currently impacting every industry, we recently began chartering planes to mitigate these issues and expedite the delivery of our miners. With the remainder of the 130,000 machines we previously purchased expected to come online between now and mid-2022, we believe the coming quarters will be transformative for Marathon, and we look forward to continuing to scale our operations. End quote. BIGG Digital Assets, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has announced that its subsidiary, Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIGG, is the first blockchain analytics service to fully integrate the third-generation blockchain Syscoin. Developed by Blockchain Foundry, which trades on the CSE as BCFN, Syscoin is described in the press release as a trustless computing platform combining both Ethereum and Bitcoin protocol into one ideal system that will power tomorrow's innovative distributed applications. Syscoin Foundation President and Blockchain Foundry's Chief Technology Officer Jagdeep Sidhu said, quote, by joining the BitRank verified ecosystem, we are able to offer compliance and a regulatory framework to Syscoin customers for the first time on a public ledger that brings the same benefits as traditional financial services. These benefits will integrate seamlessly for users, all while they hold their tokens in their own digital wallets. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.